All right, here we have another DVD. This time it's Disney's Frozen. And what do we got at the bottom? Best animated movie of the year. There's the front, side, and the back. What do you say we open it up and unwrap it, buddy?
Good idea.
All right. We're just going to get all that plastic off. See what's inside. There we go. There's our insert with our code.
That's just Disney movie Insider's Code.
Insider's code. Oh, cool. And there's a gray Frozen DVD. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching this episode. Till we see you again, have a good day. Goodbye. The end.